Hi folks, and welcome to today's video, how to get out of bed safely with back pain. Now I do create a lot of content for those suffering out there with lower back pain issues, sciatica nerve pain, herniated disc, bulging discs, etc. If that's you, then hit that subscribe button. You'll be notified when I upload something new, which is going to help you on the road to recovery. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So guys, we're talking today about getting out of bed if you do suffer from lower back pain, herniated disc, sciatica nerve pain. But I want to give you a bit of a bonus and I show you how to get into bed as well. This is all part of my spine hygiene series, which is generally about behavior modification, how you should move, how you should, do daily tasks to protect your spine if you are coming back from herniated discs, bulging discs, spine surgery, maybe you've got really bad sciatica, how to protect that spine when you're moving around doing your daily activities. If you haven't checked out my spine series, it is in a playlist. I would start, have a look at some of those. It's going to really help you get back on track with your rehabilitation. It plays a big part in my course. I run a 21-day video course, which gets delivered to your email to help people suffering from really bad, lower back issues get back on track. And it takes you through different exercises, stretches, etc., etc. It's going to flash up on the screen down below there. You can go check out that link. It's www.bashbackpain.com/course. Okay. So aside from that, let's get into getting into the bed and getting out of the bed. Now, I'm going to show you two ways to do this. All right. So we've got my treatment table today as my bed. So when we get in, we want to make sure, very often you just come across just flop into bed. It's not the best way, all right? We want to make everything we do, we want to think about our spine and create good spine hygiene. So we get really close to the bed and we're going to be squatting, or what's called hip hinging, on to the bed. We don't want to just flop down, okay? So I'm going to back in, I'm going to hinge my hips, keep my spine straight, and I'm up. Okay, so I'm actually on the bed now. Now, how do I get down into the lying position? If I just rotate, bend, twist, puts a lot of stress on my lower back. I want to try to maintain a good straight back as I go down. How do I do this? Okay, I want to brace the core. Okay, we talked about bracing in a previous video. If you've not checked that out, it's going to flash up at the end of this screen. It's a video just detailed on bracing. Okay, so wait to the end of this one and you go and check that out. But bracing, you just effectively tense up this abdominal wall. Okay. And I'm going to show you a little trick here as well. I want you to take your right leg, your right knee with your right hand, just place it there, it's going to help us. And I'm going to show you full speed and then break it down. Okay, so I'm here like so, and I basically slide this arm out and swing my legs on. Okay, now let me just show you that again. Slow speed. So the act of us pulling this leg brings more weight back, and it helps us use momentum to safely go on to the bed. I'm going to be sliding my arm out, which basically prevents me from flexing sideways. I've got some stability there. So as I go slow, see I'm holding, I've got pressure, I'm pulling my leg up here, and then I slide both legs on, and I'm down. All right, so I'm in this position now. How do I get to my back? I want to sleep on my back. How do I get there? Okay, so I'm just going to go up a little bit. This is like a small single bed. So I'm in this position. I want to consciously push with my left elbow and my right hand and rotate backwards with my knees, okay? They're going to open and it's going to rotate my whole body. So I'm going to push my hand, push my elbow, I'm going to push, rotate, and I'm on my back. Like here we can adjust into my sleeping position. Now I'm not going to go over sleeping positions in this video, but putting pillows under your knees. There's another video going to pop up at the end of this one, which is dedicated to the best sleeping positions if you do suffer from sciatica nerve pain, lower back pain. So we'll go over those in that video. Again, it's going to show up at the end of this one. So now I'm on my back, I'm in bed, okay, wake up in the morning. How do I get out of bed safely? Because I talk a lot about, protecting your spine, avoiding flexion first thing in the morning. How do I do it? And this happens from the very first point we get out of bed. So how do we get out of bed safely? So we're going to reverse what we just did. So we're going to start, if I'm going to get out of my bed on my left, right, we're going to bring up my right knee, okay, and I'm just going to shuffle to the right because I've got room, otherwise I'm going to fall off the bed. And what we're going to do, I'm going to put my left arm out of the way. I'm going to be reaching over with my right hand, and I'm going to let my right knee come
come over at the same time. Use that momentum of that body weight to bring ourselves into the side position. I'm going to show you full speed first. So I brace my core, I reach over, knee comes across, and I'm onto my side. Okay, so again, we'll just go back and we'll slow it down a little bit. So I'm here, I'm going to be reaching over as I really brace this core tight. So I don't want to flex my spine unnecessarily. I want to keep it really tight to protect my spine. So I'm going to be reaching over the right hand and letting the right knee drop towards the right. And you notice as I do that, I slide up the other leg so both knees come together. So again, a little bit slower this time. I reach over, I'm bringing that right leg across, bringing my left knee up, and I'm here onto my side. So I've got to my side. How do I get out of the bed? So we're going to slide far forward as we can. So my hips are still on, knees are hanging off. Now this is going to require a push from my right hand and my left elbow against the bed to bring myself up. Again, I'll show you full speed and I'll break it down. So it's going to look like this. We're going to push, slide legs off, push, 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 and we're here. So I'm using the body weight, my lower body weight, to help me pivot up, like so. And I'm using my hands to keep pushing and also supporting my back as I go. So I'm going to go down, again to here. We're reversing the first move that we did to get on. We're here like so. So we'll do it slowly, but when you do it, you'll be doing it at generally full speed. We're going to be pushing with the right hand, pushing the right elbow, and letting those ankles drop off as I push, okay? Don't drop the ankles ahead of time, otherwise you're going to create unnecessary stress at your lower body area on the back. So push with the hands, get the upper body moving. It's moving, slide my legs off, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, and you're here. We're up in this position to safely get off from here. Don't just throw your weight forward and flex your spine. Keep your chest up, okay? Go into full kind of erect stance. Hands can help you push off the bed. You go forward, push, stand, and you can start your day, okay? So that's one way to get in and off the bed. Let me show you a second way, because different things work for different people. One person's poison's another man's medicine, etc., etc. So if that one didn't work for you, try this method, all right? So what we're going to do in this position, we're going to come up to the bed. Okay, this is my bed I'm going to be sleeping in. I don't like that first method. What is my next method? All right, very simple. I'm up on the corner here, so my left leg is just kind of around the side of the corner. My right leg is going to be slightly in front to the side of the bed. I want to bend both knees, put my hands on the bed. I see my back is flat. Okay, I've got my body weight, some of my body weight is on my hands. It's protecting my spine. Then I'm going to slowly start to walk out onto the bed. Now, as I do that, this back leg gets stuck. Okay, it's meant to, right? I want you to just take a small step forward with the right leg. Again, my weight is supported on my hands. My back is protected. I'm going to keep going forward, and then you can start sliding that back leg on. And then I go forward, forward, and then I slide the other leg on. So now, you may just want to, you're going to lose my sign for a second here. Just relax down, take a few minutes, okay? When you feel safe enough, comfortable enough to move, a minute to wiggle yourself up onto the bed a little bit further. Now from here, we have to get onto our side or our back or whichever position we choose to sleep in. So what we're going to do from here, okay, just first we're going to reach out my left hand, okay? Now I'm going to be using my right hand to push, okay? I'm going to be pushing and I'm going to be bringing my knees up. Now, first thing, brace that core, okay? Brace it really tight. I'm going to push my right hand down, push full speed, bring the knees to here. So now I'm on my side, yeah? Let me show that again. Legs go out, down, brace the core really tightly, push the right hand, so it opens up my chest area. So I'm going to push, bring the knees through, and we're here, okay? Now again, I'm going to shuffle forward because this is a small bed. Shuffle, shuffle. And again, like the previous exercise, to get ourselves onto our back, we're going to open up this knee, okay? Arms, I'm going to open up the body, but I'm going to make sure I contract my core so it all moves as one, all right? So when we're ready, we're comfortable, we simply just contract, open the arm, the shoulders, knees go over, and I'm here. And I'm on my back, I can go into position, I can go to sleep. Now to get out the same way, we're going to reverse what we did in the first exercise. So I'm here, so I'm going to bring this knee up. This arm, of course, goes out of the way. I'm going to be bringing the right arm across, right knee across. So reach over, bring the knees up. Good, okay. Now, again, you can also try getting out of bed that we did the first way, shuffling forward, okay, letting the legs drop out. But if you want to try option 2, we're here like so, we're on our side, we want to get ourselves onto our front. Quite simple, we just reach the arm out, core is braced, straighten the legs and let ourselves go onto our front. So we reach the arm out, legs go, and we're on our front. Again, you might want to stay here for a few minutes, seconds, make yourself feel comfortable. When you feel comfortable, edge over to the bed, let this one leg come out, so I've got support, my foot there, bring myself up onto my forearms. I'm in a bit of extension here, and then slowly just start to push up, push away from the bed, push away from the bed, pushing back, other leg comes down. You can bring it around the side. Notice I'm squatting down. Okay, I'm here, chest up, and I stand and go about the day. Okay? So listen, 2 very effective methods for getting into the bed, out of the bed if you are suffering from lower back pain, sciatica nerve pain, herniated disc, etc. Give them a try at home. Let me know in the comment section how you guys get on. Don't forget to share, like, and of course subscribe to these videos. Have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.